Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Auto. So this is just a quick video to explain the recent recall on the Peugeot iOns and Citroen C-Zeros and Mitsubishi i-MiEVs, I'm sure, as well. So you might receive a letter like this informing you of the recall, and what they're doing is the RAC are coming out to your house or workplace and doing this change on site, so you don't have to take the car back to a dealership. And what's happening is the brake vacuum pump, it's an electric pump which sits there under the boot, is corroding, and they're changing those. So RAC have just been out and changed that one this morning, and they're fitting a genuine Mitsubishi pump there. And what that's doing is just an electrical air pressure pump which is pressurizing your brake system, and what they found is they are corroding on the older cars. So this car is a 2011 car, it's a long way out of warranty, but they're still doing this work. So it's a relatively easy job to do. It only takes them about 20 minutes to half an hour to do. That's as long as the bolts haven't corroded that holds the pump down, because they do tend to rust because it's all exposed to the elements underneath. And apparently the RAC are doing, it was 700 and something, so around 750 vehicles that they were going out and doing this warranty work on in the UK.